Good morning, departure VisionJet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Hey there, buddy. Hope you're doing well, and thank you so much for coming along in this video today. In this video, I'm in the hangar again at John C. Toon Airport, and I'm here to talk to you about a couple really neat solutions that a friend of mine came up with. His name is Joel, and he has two solutions for the SF-50 VisionJet, and one of these also works on the Cirrus SR series models. This is a Pitot tube cover. It is 3D printed. It can also include a custom indication of your tail number if you wish, but they do a really good job of staying on in place during high wind conditions. So when you leave the plane on a ramp overnight and there's maybe wind conditions, you can come in the morning and you'll know that your Pitot static tube cover is going to be in place when you get there. So the alternative solution that's generally provided with the aircrafts is made out of vinyl. It closes with Velcro and they can easily blow off. I've had it happen to me more than one occasion, and it's kind of disappointing getting to the aircraft and your Pitot covers have blown off overnight due to high wind conditions. The second solution is also a great one. It is for the static ports of the VisionJet. The VisionJet has 4 static ports, 2 on each side. So the kit consists of 2 of these, in addition to a remove before flight reminder placard that is hung on the baro knob of the center instrument panel. This provides an excellent way of making sure that debris, mud daubers, or other contaminants do not enter the static ports of the VisionJet, as the static ports provide critical air data to the avionics system in flight. This video is sponsored in part by SF-50 Flight Support. Check out sf50flightsupport.com for more information. We make jet ownership better with comprehensive services for owners, pilots, and operators of SF-50 VisionJets. If any of these solutions are of interest to you, I will put the email for JAG in the description of the video, and you can contact him that way and get those on order. And again, this is a Pitot tube cover. You can get it customized with your tail number, and this is the static port cover. Thank you so much for coming along on this video. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. And I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.